In the construction industry today, delays, budget overruns, and quality control issues have become the norm. Safety concerns, regulatory challenges, and communication breakdowns among teams further complicate projects, leading to costly rework and disputes. Outdated processes and slow technology adoption add to the chaos, making it difficult to stay on track. These persistent problems call for a transformative solution to streamline project management and improve outcomes. Meet the Inkers team, the driving force behind Observance. The team is made up of skilled professionals dedicated to helping the construction sector evolve. This passion led to the creation of Observance, the game-changing construction management solution. With Observance, you're equipped with an array of powerful tools that will revolutionize the way you manage construction projects. Kick off with precision data collection using our state-of-the-art LiDAR scanners, available in both handheld and drone configurations. Within hours, Observance's advanced algorithms process this data, transforming it into a highly detailed 3D model of your construction site. Access this 3D model from anywhere, anytime through our user-friendly website. It's fully navigable and even compatible with popular web-based viewers like Autodesk. Observance also generates 2D floor plans and offers geo-referencing on Google Maps, enhancing your visualization and enabling easy comparison with neighboring sites. Our platform is armed with precise measurement tools, allowing you to measure lengths, areas, and volumes of any element with ease. And with our transformer-based segmentation, you can break down the 3D model into different elements for in-depth analysis. Synchronize your 3D model with BIM models, RGB videos, or thermal videos for insightful comparisons and deviation detection. Our cutting-edge AI algorithms can identify and annotate cosmetic defects such as honeycombing, cracks, and cement slurry. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your project. More than 400,000 defect images have trained our model to recognize various defects, which are then annotated on RGB videos and projected onto the 3D model, creating an actionable snag list. But we don't stop there. Observance also employs thermal sensors, providing temperature readings at the time of scanning. This helps identify moisture content and early detection of leaks, critical for quality control. For enhanced security and resource management, our strategically placed cameras at entry and exit points detect workers and PPE violations. The data collected is seamlessly managed through our platform, flagging violations and generating incident reports. The project milestones include the thorough gathering of project requirements, the design of a scalable system architecture, seamless data integration, and scheduling for project management. And when it comes to task management, Observance has you covered. With Observance, you have a comprehensive tool set at your fingertips, elevating every aspect of construction project management. But the future holds even more exciting developments.